and welcome. Do you want to learn how to work this with ribbon? I've taken two ribbon and on the right side of the ribbon I have stuck it here, and then the first step is this, and then you take this and put it over this. This is the starting step of the design, and then turn this and put it within this side. Put it inside this. Can you see this? Put it inside this and then pull out. Got it? And then again you will pull it from this side and then put this portion in. You have to go very slow when you do the initial 5 steps, and then again turn it and put this into this, if it's clear now. Okay, into this and pull this back. Now you have this coming into shape. Now can you see this? You will get this, and then you continue to do so till the end of your satin ribbon. Now you can take table length if you need, two different colors. You can do it with a single thread too, but this I'm doing it in double colors for it to be made more easier while learning and practicing how to do this lace work. Now this can be used for hairbands. It can also be used for as bookmarks. It can also be used to decorate the borders of files or folders. If you make cloth folders or book folders, you can use this for the borders, and then you can also use it on runners. And this is a very good exercise for stress relief. Stress relief, this is a very good exercise for stress relief. I deleted the old video because the start was a little complicated when I showed it, so I felt let me improve it a little before I can again show this. Now you can take any kind of ribbon that you need, any length. It could be 1 centimeter, it could be 2 centimeter, it could be half a centimeter or 1 centimeter depending, or even lesser than half a centimeter, and then work the same pattern for that too. Now you go on. You do this till you come to the end of the ribbon, and then you can do this and even practice to have it as religious bookmarks on your religious books. And it will come out like this. Can you see? One side and the other side it will look like this. Same here. Same here. These can be used as bookmarks wherever you're studying or whatever you're doing. You can place them as markers to know where you have stopped your project work, where you have stopped all that. You can just have it like this. So you know that's where you have to start your project work again when you have stopped it. You also can have bookmarks with color paper, just a gold or silver paper cut into small, and you can have these also as bookmarks. There are various ways in which you can create bookmark. Apart from this, you can create this. You can also do a multicolor with different color variations, and you can have it even on your blouse sleeve corners or on the back of your blouse. You can design them and you can stitch it on the back of your blouse. You can also use it for your pillow covers designs. And yes, this is very economical and very easy to do and easy to make, and it is a stress buster. Very good stress buster to make um, these patterns. And you can also have it as friendship band. You can have it as a bookmark. You can also have it as a blouse designer. You can have it on your salwar neckline, etc. Hope you like this. Give me your feedback and also subscribe. Thank you.